Hey, cuz, you see the title? Let's get straight to this video, boy.
Oh my God.
Boy!
Chill.
He crashing!
Oh my God. Chill. What's good, YouTube? Today, I'm gonna be stealing people's gas. Bro, I told y'all on Instagram, I'm gonna start doing outside pranks. Y'all thought I was capping. I'm really serious. But this gonna be a crazy video. If you new, like, comment, subscribe. If y'all ain't got any pranks, add my
Y'all
Instagram.
like, comment, and subscribe. He doing shit. He risking his life.
Bro, chill, bro. Chill. Oh my God. Bro, look, bro. Look, bro, chill. Look, bro. Look. Bro, chill. Look, my camera right there, bro. Chill. Here you come right now. I need some gas, so we don't play no damn game. He got a nice car too. I know he got some money. Hey, bro, I need some gas, bro. Yeah, I need some gas, bro.
What the hell you doing about my damn car, man?
Punk ass, I need some gas.
Punk ass? Man, get the fuck up out of here, bro.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, chill, bro.
What you got going on, bro?
I need some gas, bro.
Man, get your ass up out of here.
I need some gas, bro. I need some gas, bro.
The QTI be sparking that motherfucker, boy.
It's a joke, bro. It's a joke, bro.
Get up out of here, bro.
All right, bro. Need some goddamn gas, bro. Need some. Hey, bro, chill, bro. Hey, bro, I need some gas, bro. What the fuck's your problem, bro? I need some damn gas, bro. Bro, chill, bro. I need some damn gas, dude. What the fuck's your problem, dude?
He showing they license plates and shit, boy. That's how you know he up and coming.
What? Oh, but chill, chill. I'm in the hood doing this shit, man. Oh my God, this shit dangerous as fuck. Shit ain't coming out. What the niggas there? Oh shit, man. Chill. I need some gas, bro.
Boy, his ass could have got gutted, boy. I peeped him, but you really can't even see. Look how smooth he did it. He could. Boy! I'm not doing no shit like that in the hood. You gotta do this. Yeah, good thing he dirty as fuck. He got dirty ass shoes on. He got nothing. Don't even have a phone on you.
I need some gas, bro. I need some gas, bro.
He slapped the top of his head.
I need some gas, bro.
Nigga got my heart beating for him. He could have got gutted, boy. Cash saver. What kind of stuff is that?
Chill. It's a joke.
Bruh could have got gutted, boy.
Shit, man.
Hey, nigga, what the fuck is you doing, bro?
Shit, I need some gas, man.
Bro, hey, bro, get the fuck away from my car, bro. Hey, you
Oh my God, I ain't. Man, look.
The runners pop out the car, boy. The runners pop out the car. The Lexus, I should have knew. By the license plate, I should have knew it. Who would I perform on?
Hey, you
Definitely this one. This one like she give out the she look like she could do the washing machine method, boy. She look like she the GOAT, boy. But I'll for sure go for this one though.
Man, look, I need some gas. Y'all get back. I need some gas.
These two, hell no.
I need some gas. Y'all get
Hold on. Is y'all seeing this? No shoes is fucking preposterous. That's a pack, boy. I wouldn't crack. But if I had to choose, I'm switching, bro. I'm going for the bit right here now. She got shoes on and shit, bro. I'm saying she got shoes on at least. Bit can't touch me no more. That's how you know. Bottom of the feet, boy. Yeah, I gotta go for her, cuz. I'm picking this one. It's her car. It's her car she driving. She got, yeah, bro, I gotta pick her, cuz.
I need some gas. I need some glass. Oh, shit.
You gotta stop that shit.
I need, hey, punk, I need some glass, man.
She say, where them niggas at?
Gas, bro, what the? Bro. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, look, bro, chill.
He smiled. Bro, bullshit. He smiled. They not for the shit. He's. Hey, I fuck with this video, cuz. God, I fuck with this, bro. Hey, shouts out to this nigga. Hey, boy. This nigga laughing. These niggas bullshitting, bro. Look at he smile. They ain't trying to hurt nobody, bro. They ain't trying to crash out, bro. They ain't trying to, you know what I'm saying? They just try to skirt a nigga, bro. I know what's going on, boy. This is hilarious, bro. Nigga got a fucking K. Damn, they still robbed him and he dirty as fuck.
Right there, bro. It's a prank, bro. All right, bro. Damn.
He got a gravy ass car too. They ain't take that.
Right there, bro. It's a prank, bro.
He got a gravy ass car. Yeah, they ain't take that. I'm glad you was dirty as shit, boy. Cause yeah, I'm glad you was dirty as a motherfucker though. Cause I would have been pissed they took some shit I care about. Look at the runners laughing.
Yeah, bro. I'm done with that shit, bro.
Oh, they gave him back to it.
That's it. You don't do nothing either. I'm about to fire your ass. You don't do a goddamn thing. I gotta get a new cameraman. Look at that, there, bro. My goddamn bucket. You don't do a I can't deal with you no more, bro.
Oh, they gave him his shoes back. I knew they was just troll. Bro, they wasn't trolling, but like I knew they gave him his shoes back, huh?
All you do is sit there and record, don't do nothing, bro. If I say help, you help. Like real shit, I'm get tired of that, dude. Like real, I'm tired of getting beat up every video, bro.
He tired.
You don't help, man. God damn, it can't be. I'm done, bro.
He tired. Cameraman gotta help him. Yeah, I gotta get robbed together, man. He for the cry.
Go, man, go.
He for the cry.
Oh shit. There we go.
I don't get why niggas do this shit. I'm not leaving shit. Motherfucker, I'm for to watch my shit pump, boy. Why do niggas do this? That's how niggas lose their cars and shit, bro. Like, I know his door's unlocked. He got his shit sitting on 32s.
Man, she ain't looking. I'm scared. I'm scared, y'all. Oh, shit. We doing this, bro. I'm scared. Bro, I'm in the hood doing this, bro. I'm scared. Oh, shit. I'm scared. Ah, shit. There you go. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I need some gas in my damn shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
What's up? What's up with that, man?
It's a prank, bro. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Oh, shit. That nigga still doing this shit? Let it. Hold on.
It's your boy King said it all back
Hold on.
out with another video.
I'm cracking. Boy. Would I ever get in one of these videos? Fuck no. I hope y'all enjoyed that little reaction, and I'm gone.